If you're looking for one of the fastest and easiest ways to add months of protection, incredible gloss, amazing slickness, and outstanding water beading to your vehicle, you're in the right place. If you'd like to pick up the Clean by Pandy Organizer Ceramic Spray Sealant V2, simply use the convenient purchase links in the description under the video. Now sit back, relax, and enjoy the show as we talk about this product. The Clean Ceramic Spray Sealant V2 is an advanced water-based ceramic spray sealant that's designed to make protecting your vehicle incredibly simple while delivering outstanding performance. Whether your goal is to boost gloss, increase slickness, enhance water beading or water sheeting, or simply make future washes easier, this product was engineered to do exactly that. At the heart of the formula is a cutting-edge proprietary ceramic polymer system that forms a durable protective layer on the surface. In real-world conditions, you can typically expect between 3 to 6 months of protection, depending on your maintenance routine, the weather conditions where you live, also what your vehicle is exposed to, and how often your vehicle is driven and washed. Beyond its durability, this product also provides UV protection to help shield exterior surfaces from the damaging effects of the sun, while its anti-static properties help reduce dust buildup between washes, keeping your vehicle cleaner for longer. One of the things I love the most about this product is its versatility. You actually have 3 different ways to apply depending on your needs. Let's go through each method. The first method is the traditional dry application. This is the method I recommend whenever you're looking for maximum durability. Start by washing the vehicle thoroughly. If necessary, chemically and mechanically decontaminate the paint to remove any bonded contaminants. If you're chasing maximum gloss, this is also the perfect time to polish the paint to remove any swirl marks and scratches, blemishes, and oxidation. Once you're finished, make sure the surface is completely clean, dry, and cool to the touch. An optional step is a panel prep spray to remove polishing oils and residue. Take a clean, high-quality microfiber towel and spray just 1 or 2 sprays directly into the towel. And the formula is highly concentrated, so a little product goes a long way. Work 1 panel at a time, wiping it on the surface, spreading a thin, even layer across that surface. Then immediately flip to a clean, dry side and buff away any remaining residue until the finish is perfectly clear. This product is super easy to use. Once you've completed the application, allow the product approximately 10 minutes for its initial cure. That's all that's needed. Although the product begins curing quickly, for maximum durability, you should avoid washing the vehicle for the next 24 hours. This allows the protection to fully develop and deliver its best long-term performance. Here's an important tip. Because this product is designed to last for many months, there's no need to apply it to dry paint after every wash. Reapplying it too frequently before the previous application has naturally worn away doesn't necessarily improve protection and can eventually lead to unnecessary product buildup or streaking. Instead, reapply it every few months or whenever you notice the water beading and water sheeting performance beginning to diminish. The second application type method is as a drying aid, and this is personally one of my favorite ways to maintain a protected vehicle, especially a ceramic coated vehicle. After washing and rinsing the car, leave the surface wet. Lightly mist 1 or 2 sprays onto a wet panel, then immediately dry that section using a quality microfiber drying towel. As you're drying, you're also refreshing the protection, boosting gloss, increasing slickness, and enhancing the hydrophobic performance. The drying towel glides effortlessly across the paint, making the drying process smoother and even more enjoyable. The third application method is the spray-on rinse-off technique, also known as a spray-on rinse-off sealant. If you're short on time, but still want excellent protection, this method is incredibly fast. After washing and rinsing the vehicle, while it's still wet, lightly spray 1 or 2 sprays onto a wet panel and immediately rinse it thoroughly using a strong stream of water from a garden hose or a pressure washer. Then move on to the next panel and repeat the process. Once you've completed the vehicle, simply dry it as you normally would. You're going to get roughly 1 to 3 months of protection that way. It's an incredibly efficient way to refresh your protection in just a few extra minutes. Another reason this product is so versatile is that it isn't limited to painted surfaces. You can safely use it on paint, exterior glass, glossy plastic trim, headlights, taillights, wheels, painted brake calipers, paint protection film, vinyl wraps, and even matte surfaces. A question I often receive for this product is whether it can be applied to matte paint, matte PPF, or matte vinyl wraps. The answer is yes, absolutely. It can safely be applied to matte surfaces. Instead of making them glossy, it enhances their appearance by giving them a darker, richer look, we call that the jetting effect, while preserving their matte finish. So if you're looking to protect your matte paint or matte PPF or matte vinyl wrap while simply enriching its appearance, this product is an excellent choice. Now let's answer some of the questions I receive most often. Is this a water-based formula? Yes, absolutely it is. Does it actually contain ceramic protection inside there? Absolutely. It uses a cutting-edge proprietary ceramic polymer system that's designed to provide durable protection while remaining extremely easy to apply. This formula here will not give you any streaks if you use it according to the instructions. Can it be used in direct sunlight? Yes, it can. However, just like with virtually every car detailing product in the world, working on a cool vehicle in the shade will always provide the easiest and most enjoyable application experience or user experience. Does it protect against the sun's UV rays? Yes, it helps protect exterior surfaces from the damaging effects of ultraviolet radiation. Pan, does it have anti-static properties? Because my car often gets dusty with a few products when I apply them on the paint. Yes, it has anti-static properties. That means that dust is less likely to cling to the treated surface, helping your vehicle stay cleaner between washes. Can it be applied over an existing wax, a paint sealant, or a ceramic coating? Absolutely. It's an excellent maintenance stopper, and it won't alter or negatively affect the protection that's already underneath. It won't mask that protection. Instead, it refreshes the surface by restoring gloss, slickness, and improves hydrophobic performance if needed. How resistant is it to chemicals? That's a good question. It easily handles normal use with detailing chemicals across the entire pH range. However, repeatedly exposing any paint protection to extremely aggressive chemicals such as very strong acids or very strong alkalines day after day will eventually cause degradation of even the best protections. That's simply the nature of any protective product. Do you have to throw away the microfiber towels or applicators after you use this product? Not at all. Simply wash them following your normal microfiber care routine and they're ready to be used again. Does it make the paint look any better visually? Definitely. It produces what's commonly referred to as a jetting effect, giving the paint a deeper, darker, richer appearance while increasing gloss at the same time. You get the best of both worlds. And finally, what does it smell like, Pan? Does it smell good or is it kind of bad? Well, of course it smells good. It's in the Clean by Pan lineup. The official fragrance is Pineapple and Watermelon Paradise. It combines notes of luscious pineapple, sun-ripened peach, coconut, apple, and watermelon to make using the product an even more enjoyable experience. Whether your vehicle has bare paint, an existing wax, a paint sealant, or even a ceramic coating, the Clean by Pan Ceramic Spray Sealant version 2.0 is one of the quickest and easiest ways to boost protection, increase gloss, enhance slickness, improve water behavior, and make future maintenance washes much easier. I hope this episode of the Clean Academy helped you better understand how to get the absolute best performance out of your Clean by Pan Ceramic Spray Sealant. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. You can also visit cleanbypan.com or thehouseofrags.com to shop the official Clean by Pan products, or simply use the convenient purchase links in the description under the video. It's a wrap. Don't forget, guys, keep it tight, keep it clean, and I'll see you on the next one.